Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tonight's episode. I'm going to be taking you for a walk, and it's going to be along the beach. Hopefully, we'll catch a sunset here in Koh Samui. This is the... Oh, there's a frog. Look at this frickin' frog, you guys. He's going to probably rib it right at me, dude. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Alright, I'll leave you alone, homie. But this is the Samaya. I'll leave the description, I don't know. It's a Samaya hotel. Let's see. I think it's pretty nice. I think I'm only coming in at about $50 a night. There is a nice pool here. Let me get the wide angle out here for you. I think I gotta clean the lens. Yeah, pardon me guys. You're gonna have to deal with this. There we go. Bam! So we're gonna walk over to this point over here. I think it's a sunset point. Maybe cross a bridge. Maybe die, maybe not. Oh, that looks pretty nice. Let the gimbal do the work here. That's real nice. I heard some live music over here to the right last night. I don't know if they're going to be doing it again tonight, but there was some music, so you can catch that. There's a swing over there. We're going to go over to this island, I guess. Never done this before. Located here in Koh Samui, Thailand. So we're in the we're in the Thai Gulf right now. The Thai Gulf is going to be your best bet during March, April, May, June. It's going to be sunny. You're not going to be getting hit with the rainstorms like Krabi and Phuket. And you're going to avoid the smoky season of Chiang Mai. So the Gulf is where you want to be right now. Alright, it's getting kind of tricky. Some old boats that never saw the sea again. We're getting down here into the boat graveyard. So this looks like the shady bridge that I need to traverse here. And then there's this island, but there's a bench at the end. I want to go sit on the bench and watch the sunset real quick. Maybe partake in some extracurricular activities. So I'm trying not to use the X5, the 360 Insta-X5 camera much anymore. I'm just going to vlog a bit on the Samsung Galaxy. Switch it up a bit, see how things go. I've got the DJI Osmo gimbal. Alright. Here we go, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the Koh Lamai. Gosh, take a second and just enjoy that view though. Alright, here we go. I gotta focus on my feet because this is gonna be the shady bridge that we're traversing to the island. Hey! Morning, Cap. We're on the very north side of Lamai here. I don't know if this is considered a different beach. We're between Crystal Bay and Lamai, northern Lamai. I think there's going to be food and drink out here. Maybe there's people working out. Oh my God, there's a gym here. No way. I can come here tomorrow. Look at that. Outdoor gym, only 20 baht. Can you guys believe this? I'll be coming here tomorrow. That's fantastic. Shoot. That's fantastic. I'll be here tomorrow. I didn't even see. This is what happens when you go for a walk. I had an outdoor gym in my backyard for 20 baht. I've been driving into town 20 minutes paying 250 baht when I could have been walking in the morning down the beach for 20 baht. This is why you take walks. This is why you take walks. All right, coming out here, let's see. These are the little bungalows and huts that I was talking about. But we haven't made it to the destination that is the bench. All right. Have a look at that. I like how it's coming over both of the mountainsides here. You've got your sunset over here, but then it's also over here too. Oh, it's not a bench, it's a sun tanning booth. That's cool. I thought it was a bench. Sawadee krap. All right. So right over there is going to be the resort Samaya. It's also got a sound bath and yoga during the day. So I guess it's run by some Israelis who do sound bath and yoga right in there. All right, guys, I'm going to try to go live here, so we'll see what happens.